Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to construct angles of 60 degrees, 30 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees and 120 degrees with the help of ruler and compass only. In order to construct an angle of 60 degrees with the help of ruler and compass only, we need to follow the following steps. First, take the ruler. Draw a ray OA. Now taking O as center, with convenient radius, draw an arc. This arc cuts OA ray at the point P and name this arc as PQ. Now taking P as center with the same radius, cut the arc PQ and name this point as R. Join OR and produce OR till B. Now name this as OB ray. Let us observe the angle formed is 60 degrees. As we took O to P, the same radius what we took from P to R to cut the arc PQ. If you join P and R, the triangle formed is exactly an equilateral triangle because all angles are is equal to 60 degrees. That is angle O, angle P and angle R is equal to 60 degrees. Let us check once how much angle formed with the help of protractor. So it's exactly 60 degrees. See, the OA ray meets on 0, 180 line, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is the 60 degrees angle. Now let us construct 120 degrees. Now for 120 degrees same, take the ruler, draw a ray, same process until 60 degrees, name it as OA. Now taking O as center, with convenient radius, draw an arc. The arc meets OA at one point, name the point as P, name the arc as PQ. Now with the same radius from P, cut the arc PQ. This gives 60 degrees. With the same radius, with R as center, cut the arc PQ. It is next to 60 degrees. So 60 plus 60, 120 degrees. 60 plus 60, 120 degrees. Name this point as S. Join O to S and extend OS and produce OB ray. Now check the angle formed. Angle BOA or angle AOB. You can name the angle as angle BOA or angle AOB or with a single vertex angle O. which is equal to 120 degrees. Let us check the angle formed. Check 0, 180 line. Yes, it is 60 plus 60, 120 degrees. Yes, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 degrees. Let us construct the next angle, which is 90 degrees. For 90 degrees, first construct 60 degrees. Draw a ray OA. Taking O as center, with convenient radius, draw an arc. And same way, name this arc as PQ. Now with the same radius, taking P as center, first it is 60 degrees, we need 90. Okay, next we are constructing another 60 degrees, which gives 120 degrees. That is 60 plus 60, 120 degrees. 60 degrees and this is 60 degrees. So 120 degrees, but we need 90. To get 90, so what we are doing is, we are doing 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. That means you are bisecting next 60 degrees into two parts. That means 60 degrees divided by 2, which gives 30 degrees. 60 degrees divided by 2, which gives 30 degrees. So 60 plus 30, 90 degrees. So for this, so I will name this as R and S. Now taking R as center, draw an arc. Now taking S as center, cut the previous arc. So now you bisected this 60 degrees into two parts. So this 60 degrees into two parts. So now join this from O to this intersecting point and produce this. You can name it as T. Now check the angle form, because this 60 you bisected into 30 degrees and 30 degrees. So total angle formed here is from this point to this point, which is 60 plus 30, 90 degrees. So angle TOA is equal to 90 degrees. Angle TOA is equal to 90 degrees. So observe here. Exactly 90 degrees. So let us construct 180 degrees. You know 180 degrees is called as straight angle. So let us take a line. Mark a point on the line. taking O as center, as we know 180 degrees is half of 360. We will cut this line on both the sides. Now you will get here a point P. Now taking P as center, draw arc of 60 degrees. Then from here mark as Q. Now taking Q as center, again cut the arc which is next to 60 degrees. Mark it as R. Now R as center, yes, it's exactly cutting on the line at, yes, 60 plus 60 plus 60, which is equal to 180 degrees. So observe the angle formed. It is exactly a straight angle 180 degrees. Exactly a straight angle 180 degrees. So until now we learned 60 degrees, 120 degrees, 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Let us learn how to construct 30 degrees. So 30 degrees is half of 60. As we know how to construct 60 degrees, let us start with 60 degrees. Draw a ray OA. Now taking O as center, draw an arc PQ. Taking P as center, cut the arc PQ. So you got your 60 degrees. Now, if you want 30 degrees, you need to bisect 60 degrees into two parts. That is 60 degrees by 2, which gives 30 degrees. For this, name this cutting point as R. Join OR and produce to form as a ray, which is B. Now taking P and R, that is P as center with convenient radius. Interior of angle AOB, draw an arc. Now taking R as center, cut the arc, previous arc. You will get a point, intersecting point, name as S. Name as S and join O2 point S and increase this OS segment to draw a ray. Now 60 degrees you bisected into two parts, which is 30 degrees and 30 degrees. Let us check. So if you observe, it is on OA 0, 180 line, 0, 10, 20, 30 degrees. I hope you understood. So in the next video, we will learn more about how we can bisect 90 degrees and how you can construct 75 degrees, 105 degrees, 135 degrees. Thank you.